Welcome back to the channel. This is Divyang. So, Apple just few hours ago launched a final hardware product in 2020. It's called the AirPod Max. You guessed it right. It is the final hardware from Apple for this year. Main key points are H1 chip, advanced software to power computational audio for breakthrough listening, adaptive EQ, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, spatial audio. These are the points Apple is using so that they make sure you don't buy the AirPods and buy the AirPods Max. First comes the build quality. The stainless steel headband frame provides strength, flexibility, and comfort for a wide variety of head shapes and sizes. Telescoping headphone bands will be smooth in and out to maintain the desired fit. Apple has incorporated digital crown from the Apple Watch, which gives you the same controls it's provided on the Apple Watch. The ability to play, pause, skip track, answer, end phone calls, and activate Siri. Advanced software which AirPod Max uses for computational audio, delivering the highest quality listening experience ever. Apple's H1 chip in each ear, which provides them with the features of adaptive EQ. AirPod Max uses adaptive EQ to adjust the sound to the fit and seal of the ear cushion by measuring the sound signal delivered to the user and adjusting the low and mid frequencies in real time. Active noise cancellation. You might be familiar with this feature, which was first introduced in AirPod Pro. I believe the active noise cancellation will be better from the AirPods Pro because of the size and the scale of the noise cancellation is inside each cup monitors the sound reaching the listener's ear. AirPod Max uses 8 microphones to sense the environment and block out noises. Spatial audio uses dynamic head tracking to play sound virtually anywhere in space. It delivers experience for content recorded in 5.1, 7.1, and Dolby Atmos. About the battery life, AirPod Max feature great battery life up to 20 hours of high fidelity audio. It is same for active noise cancellation and spatial audio enabled. AirPod Max comes with a USB-C to Lightning cable and a soft, slim, smart case that puts AirPod Max in an ultra low power state, helps to preserve battery charge. AirPod Max comes in 5 different colors: space gray, silver, green, sky blue, and pink. I believe for a few iterations or until Apple gets the price right, it will be a status symbol for many people, just like the AirPod Pro are. They are reachable for some consumer, but AirPod Max, which cost for $550, is impossible for everyone to get it at the same time. If Apple pulls the price down, it will be a good option for many people. Till then, AirPods Max remains a luxury product for many people, and let's see what's in store for the next year or the next iteration for the AirPods Max. We believe there will be a cheaper version with a plastic casing. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.